The Navy's newest marvel has just arrived in Norfolk, and its presence has already sent ripples through the world's military and technological circles. Named the USNS Robert E. Simon *, it represents more than a leap in shipbuilding. It's the dawn of a new era in naval dominance. And when Elon Musk commented on this project, calling it the most advanced warship ever conceived, the world listened. His words hinted at a vessel so powerful, so intelligent, that it could change the future of warfare forever. Aircraft carriers have always stood as floating symbols of power. From the massive steel decks of World War II to the nuclear-powered giants of the Cold War, each generation has pushed the limits of what the oceans can hold. But this new vessel is different. It's not simply a carrier, it's an intelligent fortress, built not just to fight, but to think adapt and endure. The Navy calls it the most autonomous ship ever built, and according to Musk, it may very well be unstoppable. The core of this new generation lies in its energy system. Instead of relying solely on traditional nuclear propulsion, engineers have integrated a next-level hybrid reactor, one capable of generating nearly limitless power. This energy feeds not only the engines but also an array of directed energy weapons, electromagnetic launch systems, and advanced defense shields. Imagine a warship that could power cities, launch hypersonic drones, and fire energy beams powerful enough to vaporize incoming threats, all without needing to refuel for decades. That is what this ship represents. But energy is only one part of its secret. Automation forms the heart of its strength. Hundreds of onboard systems are controlled by AI-driven frameworks that monitor, predict, and respond faster than any human could. From the instant an incoming missile is detected, the carrier's defense grid calculates trajectories, deploys countermeasures, and neutralizes the threat, all in milliseconds. Drones orbit the ship like mechanical guardians, intercepting torpedoes underwater and aircraft above. It's not science fiction. It's the new reality of naval warfare. For decades, the greatest weakness of an aircraft carrier has been its vulnerability. A single torpedo or missile could threaten billions of dollars in hardware and thousands of lives. This new design erases that fear. The ship's outer hull is layered with reactive composite plating capable of absorbing and redirecting impact. Above that, electromagnetic fields form a shimmering barrier invisible to the eye, one that can deflect radar, jam sensors, and even disrupt enemy guidance systems. To strike this ship is to face a wall of technology that fights back. Its launch capabilities are just as extraordinary. The traditional steam catapults of older carriers are gone, replaced by electromagnetic launch systems inspired by the same technology that powers Musk's rockets. Aircraft are hurled into the skies silently and efficiently, whether piloted fighters or autonomous stealth drones. These drones, linked by quantum-encrypted communication, can coordinate mid-flight, executing complex missions across thousands of miles without human direction. It's as if the carrier extends itself through the air, a fleet within a fleet. Inside, the ship operates like a living organism. It doesn't just control weapons, it manages maintenance, navigation, and even medical systems. Every sensor, every motor, every circuit feeds into a neural network that learns from its environment. If a component begins to fail, the system reroutes power instantly. If a storm approaches, the ship calculates optimal paths to avoid stress on the hull. It doesn't wait for commands, it acts. This intelligence doesn't replace sailors, but it enhances them, allowing a smaller, more skilled crew to command a vessel once thought impossible to manage. Strategically, this changes everything. A carrier that cannot be disabled becomes more than a weapon, it becomes a presence. When it sails into a contested region, diplomacy itself bends. Enemies see futility. Allies see assurance. The very concept of deterrence takes new meaning when your adversary knows that no missile, no submarine, and no electronic strike can bring your flagship down. The unstoppable carrier becomes not just a projection of force, but of inevitability. Musk's fascination with this project isn't accidental. The technologies embedded within, AI coordination, advanced reactors, and electromagnetic propulsion, mirror breakthroughs from the private sector, especially those pioneered by companies like SpaceX and Tesla. The boundaries between civilian innovation and military power are fading. The ship is a product of collaboration, government precision fused with Silicon Valley's speed and vision. And that combination may be the most powerful weapon of all. But beyond its combat potential lies something even greater, the promise of transformation. A vessel that can generate near unlimited energy could serve humanitarian purposes as well. In times of disaster, it could bring power to cities cut off from the grid, purify millions of gallons of seawater, and deliver aid to places no plane or truck can reach. A warship, yes, but also a beacon of capability that could save lives as easily as it defends them. This carrier is not just an engineering achievement, it's a philosophical one. For the first time in history, humans may have created a machine that cannot be destroyed by conventional means. It represents our triumph over vulnerability, a challenge to the very idea that all things must eventually fail. It is both awe-inspiring and unsettling, because with such power comes immense responsibility. As it sails under the morning sun, cutting silently through the Atlantic, the world watches. Rivals are already analyzing, strategizing, wondering how to counter what seems beyond countermeasure. The age of naval warfare has entered a new chapter, one defined not by size or firepower, but by intelligence, energy, and resilience. The unstoppable carrier is no longer an idea. It's here, and it changes everything. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the future of technology, defense, and innovation. This is where the next era begins. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.